Welcome to Video Application Part 2. First, we must deal with rule number 1. Be yourself. But how to be yourself? And how to avoid being someone else? Good question? Let's try to examine it. In general, you can say you should not be an actor and not act. It is okay to be inspired, but do not copy. As they say, less is more. Or, rather smear too little than too much on. In addition, do not be afraid to ask for help. Ask a friend who can advise and guide you. A good idea is to film yourself in as many and strange situations as possible. Then try to watch these recordings at least every day for a week. Once the week is over, you will have a much milder view of yourself. So what could be the reason? Well, your brain has started to get used to what it sees, and maybe it even likes it. So the first task sounds: start filming yourself in all sorts of weird situations. And then, watch the movie clips as often as you can. Have fun.